So okay, he is fighting. He's fighting. Oh my God. He's fighting. He's fighting actually. Why he's doing it? Don't fight, please. You are your friend. Don't fight. You are your friends. Now you're seeing some boy are playing cricket or sorry playing football, and I'm zooming this from 1 kilometer. Also, this is a very numerous and famous institution called Rai Bahadur Senior Institution, established in around to 100 years ago. This is one of the biggest building. It's the new made it, and also behind it there is one also there. Okay, some people also staying also there, and this is a very huge ground. If I see more about this institute, this is a huge bot tree, and you're seeing that also this is a gate. So this whole school and field is rounded by pillar and also wall, and here is it, and you'll find it more, and there is some stretchers Alpona. It was written in 2018 when 100th century years was celebrated in this field. So I'm just from 1 kilometer away, so it's zooming from there actually that, and these boys were playing 1 hour ago and still they are playing sometimes also. So this is my one of the zooming video in my live and in my YouTube channel, in my Facebook page also. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boys who are playing here. They are enjoyable, but once upon a time when you play, it was full of the people, full of the players. Like we had to remove some player because it was full of a team. But nowadays it is very hard to find player, very hard to find. Like one person is going to beat someone because someone is not wanting or he does not want to play football. So okay, he is fighting. He's fighting. Oh my God. He's fighting. He's fighting actually. Why he's doing it? Don't fight, please. You are your friend. Don't fight. You are your friends. Don't fight each other. It's a request from my side. Please don't fight each other. Just play. Just play. Maybe he is requesting him or he telling him why you don't want to play this area. So right, okay. Because they need player. I also mentioned you just a few minutes ago. Say once upon a time, like 10 years ago, the field was full of the players, but nowadays it is very hard, very trouble, terrified that very hard to find out players because nobody wants to. The children young have no interest, have no any interest to play actually. It's happened. So it's happened. So look at that. He's fighting again. He's fighting again actually. Why? Please avoid them. Avoid them. Remove them from in this area. Okay. So it's very miserable. It's very miserable thing that nowadays people do not play. Nowadays people do not play. Very miserable thing all of there. I'm very scared about things. Just look at it. Also beautiful field is it? Yes, absolutely beautiful field is it. So goodbye. From now we'll come back very soon in that place. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. See you next video, next time with very soon. Very good time. Goodbye.